Did you know that the human brains are wired to track motion and interested in movement? Our ancestors learned to pay attention to moving objects to avoid dangers such as enemies or fierce carnivores. But now we can develop the ability in the teaching process through demonstration learning. Demonstration can make anything more fascinating. There are two types of demonstration learning that teachers can use. First is live lecture demonstration, and the second is online video lecture demonstrations. Which one is more effective used in basic learning? So, I am Maria, and this is the topic that we will discuss today. Comparing the effectiveness of online versus live lecture demonstration. So in the first section, let me tell you what makes demonstration learning is interesting. Live science demonstrations have a distinguished history. In the 19th century, huge crowds gathered to watch Michael Faraday illustrate new discoveries in physics. Today, instructors use demonstration to liven up boring lectures and to help students develop and remember an intuitive, conceptual understanding of the world. Yet, in some situations, demonstration may be cumbersome, inaccessible, or otherwise unavailable. An online video demonstration could offer a convenient alternative. Based on that, the aim of this research is to compare the effectiveness of live demonstration with online video demonstration under controlled conditions. Okay, so that's the background of this research. Now, let's look at the second section. In this section, I will explain you about the methodology. The study took place during the first term of a year-long introductory physics course at Harvard University. This calculus-based course covers topics in mechanics at a level appropriate for life science and pre-medical students. The research was conducted by using experimental research to collect data. Two groups were used. The participants of this research are 110 students that individually randomly assigned to two groups, Group A and Group B. Now we're going to the third section. I'm going to fill you in on the result of this study. Okay, let's take a look at these graphs.
Here we can see the first graph. We know that on the test of learning, students who viewed the video outperformed students in the live group by 25% to 30%. This suggests that students learn more from the online version than the live version. And the second graph will show you that students in the online group enjoyed the demonstration more than students in the live group. I'd like us to look at these results in more detail. Then we will notice that abstract concepts are more readily presented on the video compared with live demonstration, which must rely on verbal description, blackboard illustration, and physical cues such.
Let's go back to the first question. Which one is more effective used in physics learning? Now you have the answer. This result suggests that video could provide students with an equally effective learning experience when live demonstration is unavailable. Indeed, even when live demonstration is available, it may be beneficial to supplement them with online presentation. This brings me to the end of my presentation. In brief, there are at least three factors: correct observation, clear construction cases, and animated abstract concept that could contribute to greater learning from online than live video demonstration. I'd like to finish by saying that as well as all practical advantage of online demonstration, we encourage instructors to use them in lecture, especially for demonstrations that are otherwise inaccessible or in learning environments where live demonstrations are impossible. Thank you for listening. I hope this has been useful.